Hello, my dear friends. On this graceful morning, it is my privilege and it gives me an immense pleasure to share some concepts on yoga. Before that, I chant six Omkaras followed by salutation to Patanjali Maharshi. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपार्करोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि Dear friends, today we shall see to the people who live without food and water. The people who live without food and water are called as breatharians or inedients. Well, if we chant Omkara, we draw the air from the nose, it comes to the throat, the vocal cord. Now, at vocal cord, it is an ordinary sound. If it goes down to vocal cord, it becomes the ultrasound. That is the beauty of our system. Ultrasound is with high energy. ultrasound always travels in straight lines. This ultrasound through trachea, it goes to the two lungs. We have two lungs, one on the the right lung. The right lung is with three lobes. The other is with the left lung. Now since we have heart here, the left lung is with two lobes. This ultrasound goes deep to the lungs. The deepest part of the lung balloon is alveolo, where the exchange of gases takes place between blood and air. This ultrasound churns the water molecules there and gives high energy. This high energy, if it is fed to trillions of cells in our human system, it becomes food. It becomes food. He need not take any food and water. Now in the caves of Himalayas, we can hear the Omkara. If we synchronize with Omkara, it becomes food. He need not take ordinary food and water. Dear friends, let us see to some examples. Example 1. Prahlad Jani Baba, a Hatha yogi. He was called as Mataji. He lived in a small cave in a mountain 23 kilometers from Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat. His date of birth is 13th August 1929. Roughly now is 91 years. Friends, he is living without food and water from the past 75 years. 75 years. Even the modern medical science was interested in him. In 2003, Dr. Sudhir Shah took him by request to an hospital and he was kept under observation for 10 days. In 2005, the Defense Institute of Physiology and Allied Sciences, a unit of our DRDO, and NASA of America both wanted to research on Jani Baba. It was an Indo-American research. Again by request, they took Baba to Sterling's Hospital, a multi-speciality hospital, where they had a group of physiologists, cardiologists, neurologists, nephrologists, ophthalmologists, a group of genetic experts, dietitians, and they kept Baba under CCTV surveillance in the hospital for 15 days. What was the aim of the research? They want to find the secret gene inside Baba which makes him to live without food and water. If they can manipulate this gene, they can make a man to live without food and water. Even space traveling becomes easier without food and water. Eventually, the result of this research was kept in secret. Example 2. Dr. Sudhir Shah was practicing Surya Sparsh. He was researching Mahabharata, the great epic of our country, where he found Surya Sparsh, he started gazing the sun. By gazing the sun, he learnt how to absorb the energy from the sun. Even in Mahabharata, Draupadi was gifted by the sun with Akshaya Patra. Akshaya Patra is a small bowl where at the will of Draupadi, any food to any quantity can be produced. Now this Akshaya Patra is in Udupi Sri Mata, Karnataka. So this is how we draw energy from the sun. Sun is with abundant nuclear energy. This nuclear energy, even aliens to fuel their airships, to fuel their spaceships, they use solar energy. So using solar energy or the nuclear energy, one becomes a man, one becomes an Breatharian or an Indian who lives without food and water. Friends, these two are the examples from our country. Not only in our country we see the Breatharians or Indians, we see Breatharians in Western countries also. Example 3, Victor Triviano from Argentina. He is a Breatharian which lives without food and water from the past 15 years, 15 years. He was invited to our country. He was invited by Karnataka to participate in World Yoga Day. He was in Bangalore, June 21st, 2018. He is a Breatharian who lives without food and water. Friends, before concluding, I request one and all to subscribe to my channel by pressing the red icon button on the right hand side so that any new video will be brought into your notice. Friends, before concluding, 3 Omkaras followed by a Shanti mantra. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidaha Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, dear friends.